Alright guys, if you want to add auto border like this into your Excel, then watch this video till the end to find out how I'm gonna do that. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select the columns that you are using into the Excel. So I'm using these 6 columns, so I will select that from the above like this. And then from the above side you need to select and go to the home tab, and then from here you'll probably find out the conditional formatting option, so you need to select that one and simply go with the new rules. All right, then from here first select the user format to determine which cells to format. You need to select that one and just write or type in exactly I am writing right now. You can probably see the typing into the screen. So first equal $sign, then A1, then angular bracket, then 2 quotation marks like this, and simply then you need to go with the format option, and then simply on the above side you need to select the border and go with the outside border. All right, you can go with the inside too, but I'm going with the outside, so select that one and then simply go with the OK. So now again go with the OK. So after doing so, if you write something onto the first column, then the other column members will be like automatically bordered. So that's how you can auto border in Excel. If you just delete the text from the columns, then as you can see the border has been automatically removed. So that's how you can set auto border in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.